guys? Chris at Dentless Touch. I am happy to announce that we finally have our hammer coming out. This is not my design. I've been using this hammer for the last 4 years now, and I got it from a guy that was trained by the BMW factory, and also a Brian at Dent Zone helped me come up with my unique contour. So the pre-orders will start immediately. I'll leave a link below. This hammer is actually made by Blim Tools for me. There will be a limited supply. Only 25 hammers so far will be made. And then the next batch will be 25. So we're doing batches of 25. Pre-order right now. There's gonna be some little special gifts in the people who pre-order. This is a 200 gram hammer, and we will be coming out with a 100 gram, but for right now, it's just a 200 gram that will be available. Also, there will be a video probably in a couple of months from now explaining how I use this tool. It's different than just blending. I use it in other different scenarios, and I want to share that with you. So if you're interested in this hammer that you see in pretty much every one of my videos, actually I have my version right here, this old 25-year-old hammer. If you're interested in purchasing this, click the link below to do the pre-order. Thanks guys, and I appreciate the support. Peace.